a cat crossed your path? Of course, your career, marriage, and EMIs all are going great until. Congratulations. You just let a cat control your destiny. Sneezed before leaving home? Abort now. It's not dust or irritated nasal nerves. Obviously, your nasal lining has direct access to the universe's control room. Solar or lunar eclipse today? Don't eat food, even though NASA says it's just shadows of celestial bodies. WhatsApp University knows better. It's poison hour. By that logic, all the astronauts should be dead by now. Psychologists call this confirmation bias. We remember one coincidence and ignore the 99 normal days. Think better, live lighter.